it's Nails by Iris here, and as you may have seen in one of my previous videos, I purchased a nail subscription box, and something that came in that box was a bunch of beautiful butterfly and flower stickers. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply these stickers. It's super simple and easy, and it gives you a nice look with minimal effort. So stay tuned to learn. I had already applied a dip powder and a clear top coat, so now I'm just filing away that clear top coat to get ready to apply the butterfly. I made sure to cleanse off my nail really good so it would adhere well. I tried to pick off the sticker, but as you can see it was a little bit difficult, so I recommend going in with a cuticle pusher just to get it lifted so that way the design doesn't get altered in any way. Once I stuck it down, I just made sure it was nice and smooth. I ended up going in with sparkly gel polish around the butterfly to make it more of an accent. After curing my glitter gel polish, I went in with my top coat and cured it once again. Here's how the look turned out. Super simple and easy, and even beginners can do it from home. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.